In this episode, we'll explore what cell differentiation and specialization is, at which stage differentiation occurs in different organisms, examine examples of specialized cells, and finally, we'll look at how these different cell types work together in a multicellular organism. Not all cells look the same. In fact, cells in your body have many different structures to suit their different functions. This variety of cell types is essential for complex organisms like humans. Without specialized cells, we couldn't have all the different tissues and organs that make up our bodies. Let's explore how cells become specialized through a process called differentiation. Differentiation is the process by which a cell changes to become specialized for its particular job. As cells differentiate, they develop different subcellular structures, and these structural changes enable them to carry out specific functions. When does differentiation occur? For most organisms, it happens during development. In most animal cells, the ability to differentiate is lost at an early stage. After they become specialized, they can't change into a different type of cell. However, plant cells are different. This is why plants can often regenerate entire structures from just a small cutting. In mature animals, differentiated cells are mainly used for repairing and replacing cells. This includes cells like skin cells that are constantly being shed and replaced. Blood cells also need regular replacement as they wear out. Some cells in our body remain as undifferentiated cells. These are called stem cells. We'll learn more about them in a future episode. Now let's look at some specific examples of specialized cells and their functions. Sperm cells are tailored for reproduction, functioning to deliver male genetic material to the female egg. With a long tail for propulsion and an abundance of mitochondria for energy, they are well suited to travel to the egg. Enzymes in the head region enable the sperm to penetrate the membrane of the egg. Neurons or nerve cells are adapted for fast signal transmission. They serve to relay electrical impulses across various parts of the body. Their elongated structure helps them span considerable distances. Branched ends enable them to connect and form intricate networks with other neurons. This network is what allows your brain to communicate with the rest of your body. Next, we have muscle cells. These are designed to contract rapidly. Their length provides ample room for this action. High mitochondrial content fuels their contraction process. Without specialized muscle cells, we wouldn't be able to move any part of our body. Plant cells also have specialized cell types, such as root hair cells. On the surface of plant roots, root hair cells develop thin extensions that protrude into the soil. These extensions greatly increase surface area, aiding absorption of water and minerals. These cells use active transport to take in minerals from the soil. Plants also have specialized transport cells called phloem and xylem. These cells align to form tubes for transporting substances across the plant. Phloem moves sugars and nutrients from leaves to other parts of the plant. Xylem, in contrast, carries water and dissolved minerals upward from the roots. These transport tubes are formed by cells connected in long chains. Xylem consists of thick-walled, hollow cells, and phloem has minimal internal structures. This structure facilitates the smooth flow of materials through the plant. Cell differentiation and specialization are fundamental to multicellular life. They allow different parts of an organism to perform different functions. This division of labor makes complex organisms like us possible. Our next episode takes a look at microscopes to understand how we came to know so much about cell structure.